The city is watching you. How would you feel being watched, checked, and identified by facial recognition cameras everywhere you go? Whether you realize it or not, our faces have become a hot commodity. As the use of camera surveillance and facial recognition technology expand, so does the potential for abuse. How do we take back control of our facial data in this environment? Many AI platforms have risen to prominence, and the technology is getting better fast. Baidu, China's most popular search engine, pays lots of attention and resources to its face learning AI platform. Facial recognition platforms use key points on our faces to approximate our age, race, gender, and even our emotions. AI platforms use these key points to learn our face and can identify us from different positions and angles in photos and video feeds. We should take initiative under the cameras of facial recognition. I used Baidu software to code-test a bunch of digital and physical elements to add noise to my face. I used an instance of Baidu facial recognition software to test all of my experiments and to find these blind spots in the AI. All of these visual effects were found through experimenting with the Baidu system. Finding blind spots in the tech. Here are some insights to break the system of facial recognition. The white lines can project shadow, which seems that the simple version of the noise effect. It lowers the score, the emotion, and even gender in facial recognition. The rose-red shadow mainly affects the score and the emotion. For the alteration of key points, it can decline the recognition score. The visual noise works with both physical products and digital products, maintaining its function for confusing machines. But we still have the ability to understand and read through this noise. The abstracted faces are hard to recognize for cameras. Surely, we will trust in machines more when image systems with AI can comprehend image and make sense of them. However, we still need lots of time to reach this point. Fortunately, our eye is like a judge who catches this blind spot. Facebook keeps you anonymous to cameras while still allowing friends to see and recognize you clearly. Facebook uses Baidu loopholes to make your face human readable but not machine readable. FacePro will bring you back to the human ability and regain control of your face with anonymous data. The noise here is natural, pure, and original, like clouds, fog, and sunlight shadow, which easily enable us to cover the anxiety from surveillance and feel free to breathe. FacePro O series, the physical products of FacePro, includes 2 shadow heads that can shoot rose-red reflections on the face, and 4 facial shells with white lines and cutting curves. FacePro O will accompany you as fashion accessories in daily life. Face Pro X, a digital 3D filter based on applications, can be used on mobile and computer. As the workforce has become more global and the environment is more challenging, remote meetings are more common than even before. When you are worried about the leak of your facial data, you can download Face Pro X from App Store and then click to open it during the meeting time. Face Pro X will show the filter on your face. Take relaxation and play it with other people. This is a kind of noise for the machine, but your friends recognize you under the cover. Face Pro X is also a photography application with AR filters on mobile to give you support when you need to take photos by using the face of missing data. When you want to be anonymous to share the image on Instagram, don't hesitate to upload it with Face Pro X filter. It can realize your face from exposure on public social media. Face Pro, surveillance fashion to help you take back your face.